You just found the 2022 Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. Here's an affordable, eco-friendly Ioniq Hybrid that's poised to take you into the future in comfort and style. You'll love its flexible, well-equipped interior, hatchback convenience, and earth-sensitive materials. It also offers desirable features like touchscreen infotainment, available driver assistance, and clean aerodynamic lines. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, heated mirrors, keyless start, power driver seat. Feel good every time you get behind the wheel of this eco-friendly Ioniq Hybrid. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.